Today's video is on the Vintage Regina Coach Bag, the Coach Vintage Regina Bag. The Coach Vintage Regina Bag is a top handle bag. Back in 1996, this bag sold for $172. It sold for $172 back in 1996. The style number is 9983. It features an outside back pocket, 50-inch adjustable strap, adjustable and detachable strap. The dimensions are 8 inches by 6 7/8 inches by 4 inches. It's sold in red, black, bone, bottle green, British tan, mahogany, navy, and white. I have it in the lovely mahogany brown. The color is so beautiful of this mahogany brown. Here it is pictured in my Vintage Coach catalog from 1996 in the beautiful red. It's a beautiful, lovely top handle bag. It's very small. And here it is compared to a larger Vintage Coach bag, which is the Vintage Coach Manor bag. Here it is side-by-side comparison with the Vintage Coach Manor bag. The Manor bag is much larger, and the Regina bag. Both of them are top handle Vintage Coach bags. Pictured the Regina in mahogany and the Manor bag in black. It's a side-by-side comparison. Both have a back envelope pocket. The side of the Regina bag is the soft leather, raw leather. The underside of the Manor bag is smooth leather. The interior of the Regina bag, you can see it does have a pocket in there, a zip pocket in there. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed my video on the Vintage Coach Regina bag and the comparison with the Vintage Coach Manor bag. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Stick with me for more videos. Check out my playlist on Vintage Coach bags, and I'll see you in my next video.